Alright, before I start, this is an iPhone 3G 4.0.2 jailbroken with Red Snow 0.9.5 B5.5 or something like that. And it, yeah, it's the iPhone 3G. But this crap won't turn on and do nothing. It's just stuck on this black screen. I did everything. I looked on the computer. I looked at Google. I couldn't find nothing to fix this crap. So like, let me show you like some stuff I tried. Like I tried putting in DFU mode. So hold down this button right here to. Okay, so now I come over here, press this button. All right, then I let go of this button. And see, like, it's trying to happen. So, I also tried the little thing where you hold down the power button, not power button, my bad, the home button, and you plug it in. It won't work, man. This crap is just messed up. It's gone. Unless y'all can help me, but this crap is gone. Hey, man. I need this crap too. But if y'all can help me, just, send me, leave me a comment. And I got y'all back.